Transforming your home into a stylish and functional space doesn't have to drain your bank account. Thanks to the latest innovations in design, technology, and home decor, it's easier than ever to revamp your living space with both aesthetic appeal and cost savings. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's style or improve its efficiency, there's a perfect combination of smart design choices and budget-friendly upgrades that will elevate your space. Here are the ultimate smart style and savings combos that will help you revamp your home without breaking the bank. But before we dive into the list, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Number 10. Incorporate mirror magic for an instant upgrade. Mirrors are one of the easiest and most affordable ways to make a room feel larger, brighter, and more open. Strategic placement of mirrors can reflect natural light, making your space appear bigger and more inviting. Opt for statement mirrors in stylish frames to add a decorative element to your walls. Whether you choose minimalist round mirrors, vintage-style framed mirrors, or oversized full-length mirrors, this simple addition can make a huge difference in transforming your space. Mirrors can be placed above a fireplace, on an entryway wall, or in a hallway to enhance the overall design while improving the flow of light in your home. Number 9. Use smart speakers and assistants for convenience and style. Smart speakers and assistants are the perfect blend of convenience, style, and modern technology. Devices like Amazon Echo, Google Nest, or Apple HomePod not only add a sleek, contemporary touch to your home, but also enhance functionality. With voice control, you can adjust lighting, set reminders, play music, check the weather, and control other smart home devices without lifting a finger. These devices seamlessly integrate into your decor, often designed to look like minimalist accessories that complement any room. Smart speakers also help streamline your daily routine, allowing for hands-free operation of tasks, saving time, and increasing efficiency. Whether you want to set the mood with music or manage household chores, these smart devices combine high-tech functionality with stylish design, making them a must-have for the modern home. Number 8. Organize with stylish storage solutions. A clutter-free home is key to maintaining a stylish and functional living space. Stylish storage solutions can help keep your home organized while enhancing its aesthetic appeal. Consider using decorative baskets, chic bins, and stylish shelves to store items in a way that complements your decor. Floating shelves are perfect for displaying books, plants, or decorative pieces, while storage ottomans provide hidden compartments for blankets or miscellaneous items. Wall-mounted shelves can maximize vertical space, keeping floors clear. By incorporating these functional yet visually appealing storage options, you can create a tidy, organized home that feels spacious and stylish without sacrificing design. Number 7. Smart thermostats for efficiency and comfort. Energy efficiency is not only a great way to save money, but also helps create a more comfortable living environment. A smart thermostat is one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your home that offers both immediate comfort and long-term savings. By learning your preferences and adjusting the temperature accordingly, smart thermostats can lower heating and cooling costs by optimizing your home's climate control. Some models allow you to control the temperature from your phone, so you can adjust it before you even step inside. In the long run, the upfront cost of the thermostat pays for itself through the energy savings it generates. Number 6. Revitalize furniture with slipcovers or DIY upholstery. If your furniture is looking tired or outdated, don't rush to replace it with expensive new pieces. Instead, consider giving your furniture a new life with slipcovers or DIY upholstery projects. Slipcovers are an easy and affordable way to update your couches, chairs, and love seats. They come in various styles, fabrics, and colors, allowing you to give your furniture a fresh look without the hefty cost of buying new pieces. If you're feeling crafty, a DIY upholstery project can be a rewarding way to personalize your furniture. You can find affordable fabric and learn basic reupholstery techniques to make your old furniture feel like new. Number 5. Go green with indoor plants and smart planters. Adding greenery to your home can instantly refresh a room and enhance its visual appeal. But plants don't just serve an aesthetic purpose. They also purify the air and help create a more relaxing environment. For those who may not have a green thumb, smart planters are a great solution. These planters come equipped with self-watering systems and sensors that monitor the moisture levels of the soil, ensuring your plants thrive even if you forget to water them. By integrating plants into your home, You not only improve the space's look, but also benefit from a healthier, more eco-friendly environment. Number 4. Invest in multifunctional furniture. Maximizing space while maintaining style is essential, especially in smaller homes or apartments. Investing in multifunctional furniture is an effective way to blend practicality with design. Pieces like sofa beds, storage ottomans, and convertible dining tables offer both comfort and utility, making them perfect for maximizing your living space. For example, a sofa bed provides a comfortable seating area during the day and transforms into a guest bed at night. Similarly, a storage ottoman doubles as both a stylish coffee table and a hidden storage unit. These versatile furniture options help you reduce clutter and make the most of your space, all while keeping your home stylish, organized, and functional without breaking the bank. Number 3. Refresh your flooring with budget-friendly alternatives. Upgrading your flooring doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Budget-friendly alternatives like luxury vinyl plank, LVP, and laminate flooring mimic the look of expensive hardwood or stone, but a fraction of the cost. LVP offers durability, water resistance, and an elegant aesthetic, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and living areas. Laminate flooring is another affordable option that's easy to maintain and comes in various styles, offering the same rich look as hardwood. For smaller spaces or DIY enthusiasts, peel and stick floor tiles are a simple and cost-effective way to revitalize a room. These alternatives provide a fresh, stylish look while keeping your renovation cost low, making them an ideal solution for any budget-conscious homeowner. Number 2. Embrace smart lighting for style and savings. Lighting is one of the most effective ways to change the ambience of a room, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Smart lighting solutions like LED bulbs, smart switches, and dimmers offer both energy savings and a chance to set the perfect mood in any space. LED bulbs consume less power than traditional incandescent ones, and with smart options, you can control them with your voice or smartphone. You can adjust the brightness, set schedules, and even change the color of the lighting to match different times of day or activities. By making the switch to smart lighting, you save on electricity bills while enjoying a chic and dynamic environment that can adapt to your needs. Number 1. Upgrade your walls with Peel and Stick Wallpaper. A quick and affordable way to update your home's decor is by using Peel and Stick Wallpaper. This innovative product allows you to experiment with bold prints, textures, and colors without the commitment and cost of traditional wallpaper or paint. The best part? It's easy to apply and remove, making it ideal for renters or those who love to change their space frequently. Whether you want to create an accent wall, brighten up a room with vibrant patterns, or add some texture to a neutral area, Peel and Stick Wallpaper provides endless possibilities without the hefty price tag of custom painting or professional wallpaper installation. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.